One way that concentration is expressed is through percentages. Remember, a percent means an amount per 100. And the way that we often calculate percent is by taking some part over a whole and then multiplying by 100%. So we're going to look at volume per volume percentage first. So the part is going to be the volume of the solute, and the whole is going to be the volume of the solution. So let's look at this label here for a wine, and it says 13% alcohol by volume, which is sometimes symbolized ABV. Okay. And this percentage here, it doesn't say V/V, but it does mean V/V. So that means if I have 100 mils of wine, then there are 13 mils of ethanol in that. And just down here, just a reminder that any percentage can be changed to a decimal by dividing out that 100%. Divide each percentage by 100% to get the decimal form of it. So here is our equation for measuring percent by volume. The percent V/V is going to be the part, which is the volume of the solute in milliliters, divided by the whole, which is the volume of the solution in milliliters. So in this case, the solute could be ethanol and the solution could be the wine. And then to get it to a percentage, we multiply it by 100%. So let's look at a sample problem. A wine is 13% ABV, as we just saw. Wine bottles generally contain 750 milliliters. Calculate the amount of ethanol in the wine. So what we want to do is we want to plug in what we know and then solve algebraically for the unknown. So the volume of the solution, or the alcoholic beverage, is 700 milliliters. The concentration is 13% ABV. And we will solve for the volume of solute, or ethanol. So when I plug in my values, 13% is volume of ethanol times 100% divided by 750 mils. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of this percentage. I'm going to divide each side by 100%. And when I do that, I get 0.13 is equal to the volume of ethanol over the whole 750 milliliters. To get volume of ethanol all by itself, I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 750 milliliters. And when I do that, I end up with a volume of ethanol of 97.5 milliliters.